What's something that a guy can do instantly that catches your attention?
Play football.
Play
Utakufa vibaya we.
football.
Yeah.
Kama na play football, huyo ako
I,
in.
I like football players.
Hakuna.
Okay, what's your biggest turn off on a first date?
Being rude. I
Being
like treating women like they're not that important.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
No.
Eh?
No.
Bona-
These ones are movies.
What's your type?
Mixed people.
Eh?
Mixed guys.
Mixed guys.
White and black mixed.
Eh,
Yeah,
ndio
like
type yako. Okay, tukimalizia ambia wanaume kitu.
treat women better.
Kitu.
Ingine ni ngumu, ni ngumu.